Chef and Chefettes!
What's up, YouTube? We are back! Back with another video, baby! Guys, ladies and gentlemen,
Boys and girls,
we got something special today. Not only is it special, but it's super healthy. You know we're going through a little pandemic, so everybody needs to boost your immune system.
absolutely.
But they can see it. Y'all can already see it. Y'all see what we make. Y'all see what we making today, right?
Irish moss, guys, also known as
Sea moss. So today we're going to show you how to prepare and make sea moss gel.
Yep.
So let's get right into this video. Want to tell them what we did first?
First, we took not one, but we used 2 packets of sea moss, right?
2 packets.
And we took fresh spring water, okay? And we soaked it.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
No.
Sorry,
No.
we washed it.
Guys, you gotta wash your sea moss.
I skipped a step.
You gotta wash it multiple times. You gotta get the
Salt.
salt, if there's any dirt, any contaminants, because it's from the ocean.
Yeah.
It's an algae, it's a plant-like. So you gotta wash it. So we washed it about 2 or 3 times.
Then Then we added water and we soaked it overnight.
Yeah. Soaked it overnight for about 12 to 24 hours, right? That's what's recommended, 12 to 24 hours.
Covered.
Yes. Then what we did was we took it out of the fridge and
2 hours later.
We took it out, we strained it from the water, it was already in. We put it in a blender, guys,
Yes.
right? And then we took, because we had 2 packets, each packet is 4 ounces. We took 8 ounces of water and we added it to our blender. All right, guys? And then we blended it up.
blended it up to a nice creamy consistency, almost like applesauce.
Mm-hmm.
It came out amazing.
Yep. How about you tell them the benefits of how you can use it, what you can put it in?
Yeah, see, I was going to get to that. Guys,
Oh.
sea moss has multiple. Matter of fact, I need you guys to Google Dr. Sebi. Trust me, you're not going to regret it. I believe he was one of the first that was trying to tell doctors and scientists about all the health benefits of sea moss. I know Jamaicans, they've been drinking that for years. So one of the benefits that I know is it's good for the digestive system.
Mm-hmm. It contains about 92 minerals, guys.
It's packed with protein, just packed with protein.
It improves your metabolism, which during this pandemic, being in the house, being in quarantine, you know we need that, guys, right?
Supports a healthy heart.
Yes. Also supports hair growth, skin, and nails.
Guys, and for the fellas, don't quote me, but I heard it's a great libido, if you know what I mean. Hard like Rockweiler. Alright, so guys, if you want to know any of the any additional health benefits, just Google it. Trust me, look into sea moss.
Yeah.
So babe, you want to show them our finished product, how it came out after we prepared it?
Sure.
Drum roll. No, I'm drum rolling.
I know.
Just show them product.
Alright, I'll show you the product.
Guys, look at this. It's like applesauce. Guys, you can mix it in your juices. You can mix it in your protein shake. You can just take a tablespoon. Serving size is about 1 to 2 tablespoons a day, but you can mix it in anything. Cook with it, bake with it, drink it, shake it.
Mm-hmm. I mean, if applesauce, the consistency of applesauce is too thick for you, add a little bit more water, blend it up a little bit longer, and it'll be thinner. All right, guys? And just a little tip, if you add like fresh fruits and stuff, you're just gonna taste fresh fruits. You're not gonna taste no sea moss.
It doesn't have a strong, overpowering taste.
Mm-hmm.
You won't even know. It's very bland.
Yep.
Guys, that's it. We about to go get our sea moss fix. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and Google sea moss.
Yep.
And then go make it. We got ours, almost forgot, we got ours at our West Indian supermarket. You know, they specialize in Guyanese, Trini, all kinds of different foods. So that's where we got ours. Let us know if you got yours and where you get it. And a lot of sites do sell sea moss gel already, but make it fresh.
Yeah, make it fresh, guys. And if you're probably wondering, like, you guys are saying sea moss, sea moss. It's an algae, guys.
Yeah.
Tell them where it's from, babe.
I did that already.
Oh, my bad.
I did say it was an algae.
You did?
It's from the ocean. I did say that too.
You said it's from the ocean, not algae.
You're fired. Guys, that's it. And we are out.